In this video, we are going to make a URL shortener using Python. We will use pyshorteners library. So first, let's talk about why URL shorteners are useful. Sometimes long URL can be difficult to share, especially on platforms with character limits like Twitter. And sometimes you might not want to expose details in the URL. So URL shorteners are helpful in this case by making links shorter and more manageable while also keeping certain information private. So let's see what we are going to make in this video. For example, I'm going to copy the URL of this product and paste it here. You can see I have the shorten URL of this product, and if I click on this URL, it redirects me to the same product. Now let's see how we can make it using Python. For that, you just need to install this library pyshorteners, and now just import this library. And now we are going to make a function that will take URL as an argument and return the short URL. In this function, we just create shortener object, and then we use tinyurl.short method to short the URL. Now we will take URL in the input and call this function. This function will take URL as a parameter and it will return the short URL. Now just print the short URL. If we run the script, it will ask you to enter the URL. So I'm going to copy the URL of this product and paste this URL here. Just we converted this URL to this. So now let's check this link. Okay, so you can see that we have the same product here. If I have some keys that I want to hide in this URL, I can hide that with using pyshorteners library. If you found this trick useful to convert your long URL into short, you can like this video, and for more content like this, you can subscribe to this channel.